Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Cyanide poisoning. Cyanide poisoning exists in all three forms. Cyanide can exist in hydrogen cyanide gas, or cyanide can exist as liquid or acid, which is hydrocyanic acid. Cyanide can exist as salt like sodium and potassium cyanide. Mechanism of action: cyanide inhibits most of the important enzymes like cytochrome oxidase and carbonic anhydrase, and cyanide prevents ATP formation by blocking the final step of oxidative phosphorylation. It decreases the oxygen carrying capacity of the blood and also causes death due to histronic or cytotoxic anoxia. Smell of the cyanide poisoning. Cyanide poisoning will produce peculiar smell like bitter almond smell. 20 to 40% are unable to smell. Ability to smell is a sex-linked trait in cyanide poisoning. Absorption of cyanide.
thank you and thank you for watching.